All right, everyone. Here we are with ticker symbol GNUS, Genius Brands International Inc. And as you can see, it's been a while, almost a week since I was able to do a stock chart analysis on this one. I've been very busy. It became a very bearish trend at one point, and I just haven't had time. I'm one man, many different ticker symbols, and I try to focus on the ones that many people are interested in or watching or want to see a video on. And for the most part, I try my best to fit them all in. But here we are again, Genius Brands. I'm going to go ahead and fit it into my schedule today. And this had a bullish run, very bullish. I mean, after all this bearish run and falling below the 50-day moving average, it has become very bullish. Anybody that wants to piggyback off of what I'm about to say, you're more than welcome to. I would appreciate you guys to comment down below. But there was a bullish run due to the fact that the company has some great news, it said, for the upcoming week. So that's going to be very interesting to see. Obviously, this went well over the 50-day moving average, but there's some key indicators here we want to know for the next following day, next following trading day, right? Because we're coming up to an end on this weekend or on this week. So first thing is the 50-day moving average, as always, and that is way below it at 262. Let's see if I can land on it exactly. There we go. So the 50-day moving average is 262, as you can see, and the bulls are in control on this one. They were able to bring this one up, and they changed the direction of the stock. Now, how long can the bulls hold this position? That's a very important thing to keep in mind. But excuse me here. No, we don't want to do this. Pick a time tomorrow. Yeah, just forget about that update right now. Apologize for that. But yeah, so this is going on its way into a bullish run. Bulls are winning it. How long can they maintain it? That's the question. But here are some things I want to zoom in on so that we know which direction this is going. The highest point it reached is 395. That's the point it got rejected throughout this whole bullish run, and that's a key indicator on how much more bullish it can get. If this passes 395 and it's used as support, the bulls can continue to break through new resistance levels. But if this gets rejected again around 395 and it closes out the day below it, I won't say that this resistance level is going to be difficult to break through, but getting rejected there again is a concern on how much more bullish it can get. That needs to be broken through, used as support so the bullish run can continue. This closed out at 369, and our support level is down here. The reason why our support level is not down here, it's not down here, it's not up here, it's right there because throughout this whole staircase, all it was doing was hitting new highs. And once it got here, it started to hit new lows, and kind of balance out, and a new high, another new high. But its real low is right here. This was the point where it almost didn't want to continue, and that is why this is the support level. This is the point where all this bullish run was almost ending, and the bulls continued, and they broke off of that, and they continued the staircase, and hopefully it does continue for the bulls in that direction. 333 is the support level. If that gets broken through, I'm not saying the bulls lost control on this one, the bears are winning, I'm not saying any of that, because even if this gets broken through, this support level has a long distance from obviously the 50-day moving average of 262. Just like it went up that much, it went up from like 240 all the way to 369. I mean, it can quickly hit 262. I'm not saying that it's too far, neither. That's not what I'm trying to say. I'm just saying there's some room there, because even if this gets broken, it's still in bullish area throughout this whole region. Now, if it breaks through it and the bears continue to tear down and they start breaking through other support levels, right, that this stock has, then that's something I would pay very close attention to as the day plays out. But for the most part, if that gets broken too, I wouldn't be so cause of concern that the Bears have won, because the Bulls can actually take advantage of the Bears bringing it down here, stock up on stocks, and continue their rally. So that is why that's not like a support level to be like worried about if it gets broken through. Now, if it was to get closer down to the 50-day moving average, then that would be something to keep a very, very close eye on and see how it continues to play out throughout the day and make your own rational decisions based off of your position or what you're trying to do, if you're trying to get in or trying to get out of the stock. But these are the key indicators for the next trading day, and that is the resistance level of 395, support level 333, and 50-day moving average 262. Keep those in mind. This is going to be an interesting one on how it plays out. And as always, if you learned something new, subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button for me to let me know you watched this video and you found it helpful. And share this with your friends and community. And thank you.